Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So now in this model, we are going to discuss our fourth question in our first exercise in coordinate geometry. So they are asking that check whether the given points are 5, minus 2, 6, 4 and 7, minus 2 are the vertices of isosceles triangle. What is meant by isosceles triangle? In a given triangle, any two sides are equal to each other. They are in equal length. Then that given triangle is nothing but isosceles triangle. Let's going to consider the isosceles triangle ABC. Let triangle ABC. So this is isosceles triangle. So let's going to take this is isosceles triangle ABC. So this is A, B, C. Let's going to consider triangle ABC and the vertices are A is nothing but, let's going to take this is 5, minus 2 and B is nothing but 6, 4 and this is C minus 2. 7, minus 2. These are the vertices. Let's going to assume this is isosceles triangle. We are assuming that the points. So if you calculate the distances between all the vertices, the distance is calculated, then it will going to get two distances are equal, then that given triangle are isosceles triangle and vertices acting like a getting isosceles triangle. Let lengths or distances of AB and BC and CA. Is there any another distance is existed? No, not possible. So let's going to take this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2 and this is x3 y3, x1 y3. So let first distance AB. So the distance is square root of A and B, x1 y1, that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So that is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So x2 is nothing but what? That x2 AB points. Let's going to consider 5, minus 2 and 6, 4. So these are the points which we need to get. So x2 is nothing but 6, 6 minus of 5 whole square plus square root. Don't forget to write square root. And y2 is 4 minus of minus 2 whole square. So 6 minus 1 is nothing but 1 square plus 4 plus 2 whole square root, then square 1 plus 6 square root. So we will get 1 plus 6 square root of 1 plus 36. So we are getting square root of 37 centimeter. This is AB. So AB we are getting that. So what you can write it here, AB is the square root of 37. AB is what? Square root of 37. Let's going to take second one, BC. So BC points are 6, 4 and 7, minus 2. So this is what? X2 and X3 is that formula. So what is the formula? Square root of X3 minus X2 whole square plus Y3 minus Y2 whole square. So x3 is nothing but we know that is 7. x2 is nothing but 6. 7 minus 6 whole square plus of y3 is minus 2 minus 4 whole square and square root. So here 7 minus 6 1 square plus minus 2 minus 4 that is minus 6 whole square minus 6 minus square is nothing but anyway we know that is 1 plus 6 square is 36 and we get it as root 37 centimeters. This is BC. So this is BC combination. So let's take BC is square root of root 37. So already we got two sides are equal to each other. We know that the given triangle ABC, the vertices acting for getting the isosceles triangle. Anyway, we can calculate another side also. So let's going to take another one, third AC, that is x3. That is 7, minus 2 and 5, minus 2. AC, that is x3, x1, square root of x3 minus x1 whole square plus y3 minus y1 whole square. So let's going to substitute square root of x3 is nothing but what? 5 minus of, so what is 7 whole square plus y3 is nothing but minus 2 minus minus 2. So this is minus 2 of minus of minus 2. So 5 minus 7 is nothing but what? Minus 2 whole square plus of minus 2 plus 2 whole square. So we get it as, what is this? 0. Then minus 2 whole square will become 4, that is 2 centimeters. So what answer we are getting here? So we got that 2 centimeter. What is this? AC. So AC is nothing but what? 2 centimeter. So AC is 2 centimeter. Then what you can say here is, what sides are equal to each other? AB and BC. AB is equals to BC in a triangle ABC. In triangle ABC. Then therefore the given vertices forming given isosceles triangle. So triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. So like this we have to find it by using of coordinate geometry. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, give likes and try to share with your friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe.